Ready?
That's a more confident smile this time.
That is a real confident smile.
Did you get one with the mouth
She's
open, Ava?
been there before.
No.
All right, ask him again.
Can I get one with his mouth open?
Sure.
This is a nice one. I don't think he likes me.
I know he started squirming with you. That's why I was
Come on, you ready?
Actually, I'll pass.
Fast.
No, it's really
Hannah
nice.
needs a turn.
Once you get used to it, it's really nice. Go again.
Gertrude will have it. You can do Gertrude. That's who we get to hold.
sort of
Yeah.
interesting.
This is for the kids.
Yeah.
We all get to hold Gertrude.
Oh, Hannah.
Can we get Gertrude on Get his mouth open.
Here, look at me. I have a good
Gertrude.
Get a better smile.
Might take all of us to hold Gertrude.
I gotta get one.
Big girl.
Wait, can I touch his mouth?
No.
Make her
No.
Make it smile.
That's what he uses.
See, I use the palm of my hand down there. Because if she reaches up, she'll hit my palm. You go there with your finger. Whack.
I got it. That's cute. What does it feel like?
Has Allie ever been cute? I don't know.
Hold on.
Try it.
Hannah, don't there's pressure over here.